Hello and welcome to my channel. Today let's make a Mangalorean home style mixed vegetable curry. So let's begin. For this you will need a combination of vegetables, that is 1 medium brinjal, 1 medium carrot, 3 drumsticks and 1 medium potato. Now heat a vessel, add in the potatoes and the carrots. Add a cup of water, cover and let it cook. When it's half done, add the remaining vegetables, that is brinjal and the drumsticks. Give a quick mix. Add some salt to taste. Now cover it and let it cook till it's almost done. For the curry paste you will need 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of jeera, half teaspoon of mustard seeds and a pinch of methi seeds, 8 to 9 dry red bedgi chilies. Dry roast these spices on low flame until they turn fragrant and be careful not to burn them. Now once they are completely roasted, transfer it to a plate. Now to this add 6 to 8 small size garlic cloves, 1 small onion, a marble sized tamarind and half a teaspoon of turmeric. You can add in powdered form, or 1 tablespoon of jaggery. You will also need a small sized half fresh grated coconut. Grind this with some water into a paste. Now add the ground paste to the cooked vegetables. Add some water and adjust the consistency. Keep it slightly thin. Now add half cup of cooked dal. You can use any dal like masoor or tur. Mix well. Add some salt to taste. Cover and let it boil. Let it boil for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Switch off the flame and let's do the tempering. For this you'll need 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of oil. To this add crushed garlic cloves, some curry leaves. You can also add some mustard seeds if you like, a pinch of asafoetida or hing, Now add this tempering into the curry. Gravy thickens on cooling. It's a coconut based curry, so flavors will be enhanced if you serve after 30 minutes. You can serve it with rice or dosas. Thanks for watching.